If you are able to see so many mistakes in Apostle Chiwenga, why don't you write a CV to Jesus Christ and tell him you are better than Chiwenga?
Welcome to another program called 3 Minutes, where I'll be just posting sermons only for 3 minutes. My name is God K pa God K TV. Can you Nyorera by Facebook? Please do follow. Can you Nyorera by YouTube? Please do subscribe. Nasindane another video I'll post to Chiwenga. I will not apologize.
You have weaknesses in your character that the Lord is still working on to date.
Yes.
That applies to me. If I say I have no more weaknesses in my character, that would be a lie. From the beginning of my assignment to date, I have never claimed to be a man of God who has never committed a sin from the day I became an apostle. I am not saying this because I talked about sending a woman back home a few days ago. This is not a new statement from Apostle Chiwenga. It's there in many of my sermons. However, if I make a mistake, either in my work as a minister or in my personal life, that does not give anyone the right, number one, to destroy the work that Christ is doing using talent for Chiwenga. No, you don't have a right.
Oh, yes.
If you are able to see so many mistakes in Apostle Chiwenga, why don't you write a CV to Jesus Christ and tell him you are better than Chiwenga? Why don't you start a ministry that becomes better than my ministry? Because this is my ministry. You understand? Is this not my ministry?
It's yours.
There is no Jesus Revelation Ministries without Apostle Chiwenga.
Yes.
The Lord Jesus Christ used me to start this ministry. If you don't know the difference between a church and a ministry, you are going to walk around saying, Chiwenga said, this is his church. I am not responsible for your idiocy. I am not your creator. It's unfortunate. One day foolishness will depart from you and you start to reason well. There's a difference between a ministry and a church. The church belongs to Jesus Christ.
Yes.
But the ministry belongs to me. It is my ministry.
Yes.
Jesus Revelation Ministries is my ministry. I will not apologize.